the length of a rectangle is 6 inches longer than it is wide. If the perimeter is 60 inches, what are the dimensions of the rectangle? Okay. So let me draw. You don't have to draw, but I think it might be helpful. It says the length. Come over here and I'll write length and width. And it says length equals 6 inches longer than it is wide. 6 plus width, where W is the width, huh? See how it's saying that? Length is 6 inches longer than it is wide. 6 added to W, and this is just W for width. So this is the width, W, which goes like, that way. And this is also the width because it's the same. Huh? So actually, so that means this thing's longer than it is wide. Well, it doesn't matter. I guess I'm being a little picky here, but really it should be more like this, huh? And we have a width and a width. And then the length is 6 plus W. That's the length. 6 longer, or a little bit longer length and width. Anyway, that's generally what the rectangle looks like, right? And then they're saying the perimeter is 60. Now, how do you do perimeter? Well, perimeter means all the way around the outside, all the way around the outside. So how do we go all the way around the outside? Well, starting here, to go all the way up, or anywhere, to go all the way around the outside, you just have to do width, length, and length again, huh? That makes sense? It's width, length, length. In other words, it's all the way around the outside. So for a rectangle's perimeter, it's going to be 2 times the length plus 2 times the width. Do you see that? All the outside is 2 widths and 2 lengths. Just like that. So it's going to be 2 times, and then you grab the length formula. In fact, let's don't do the times. I'll be using 2 parentheses 6 plus W plus 2, and then parenthesis W, because the width is just W. Like that. And then we distribute. 12 plus 2W plus 2W. Oh, and I forgot to say what it is. The perimeter is 60. So it equals 60. So there's my formula. There's my equation, I should say. Just like that. Does that make sense? So far, so good. Bring this on down. All right. It's making sense so far. So now we need to solve for W. So 2W and 2W makes 4W, bring down the 12. Like so, right? 2W and 2W make 4W. Okay, now we gotta solve for W. And boom, boom. And what do we got? 4W is 48. 5 by 4. W is 12. So we got the width. Do they want? So the width is 12. Bring that up here. Width is 12. Now, how do we find they want the length and the width, right? So we take that 12 and we can plug in the 12 right there. And so this equals 6 plus 12, 18. So 18 is the length. And now we're done. So that was there's a fair bit of work to that, wasn't there? Let me help you with that. Let me run over that one more time and talk about things. So again, I got a rectangle, so I drew the rectangle, and they told us that the length is length is 6 longer than the width, 6 plus W. The width is just W. And I drew it, W, 6 plus W, 6 plus W, added all those up, right? 6 plus W twice. See, there's 2 6 plus W's, and there's 2 W's. That has to add up to equal 60, because that's the perimeter. Perimeter is all the way around. All the way around is 2 widths and 2 6 plus W's. So 2 6 plus W's and 2 W's, and that is 60. They said the perimeter is 60. So then I solved this equation, right? 12 plus 4W, solved it for W, and then you bring that W back up and you say, okay, the width is 12, and then you plug the W in right there, 6 plus 12, the length is 18. And there we go.